What if I told you that if you start your content creation journey today, you can get monetized in less than 90 days? You don't need a good camera. You don't need a good LED light. You don't need a studio light. You don't need a studio space. You don't need a lot of followers or years of experience. In this video, I will show you how to begin your content creation journey and get monetized in less than 90 days. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ND Digital Marketer. I'm a business strategist. I'm a full-time content creator. I'm a cybersecurity student. I am also a digital marketer. I know how overwhelming it feels when you begin your content creation journey and you are seeing 0 views, 0 likes, 0 shares, 0 comments. I have been through that before, and it is something that every creator, every big creator out there has also experienced. But I am here to hold your hand and show you the necessary things that you are supposed to do in order to get monetized in less than 90 days. If you want to begin your content creation journey in 2025, here is a piece of advice. It is not every content out there that gets monetized easily. But today I'll be sharing with you some of the niches that you can actually venture into that can easily get you monetized even in less than 90 days. First niche here is business and finance, tech, lifestyle productivity, digital marketing, tutorials, health, and wellness. Here is a tip. You need to focus on solving people's problem as a content creator, because if you are more on entertainment, there are a lot of people out there who are based in entertainment. So you need to find a niche that is going to help you to solve people's problem. And by the virtue of that, people will actually pay for your service. That is you getting your own knowledge monetized by creating solution as content for people. There are two types of content creation. We have the faceless content and we have the content that requires you to show your face, just like this content. Under faceless content, we have animated stories, we have folk stories, we have videos that AI tools can help you and create. But in the content that requires you to show your face, just like this content, here are a few things you need to know. You'll be needing a LED light or a natural light. You'll be needing a good phone with a camera. So you have to choose well. Now, let me shock you. All these niches that I mentioned earlier, you can create content with them without showing your face. You can create good faceless content with them without showing your face. Now, here are a few content strategies that you need to know. Number one, you need to start with a niche that you are good at, something you know that you have passion for, something you know that you can actually pour out all the knowledges that you have. When it comes to it, you need to start with it, or you need to choose that particular niche. You need to understand that you don't have to post every day. Yes, you just have to create a very good content. But posting every day, it makes you look like you are over posting, and a lot of people will think that you just copy those things from somewhere and post on your YouTube channel or your Facebook or your Instagram. So you need to prepare a calendar that will help you to post maybe 4 to 5 times in a week. The next thing here is you need to get a very good hook for each niche that you choose. Maybe you choose business and finance. You need to learn how to use a very good hook that is going to make people to stick from the beginning of your video to the end of your video. Now, let me share an example of a good hook. If you choose business and finance, you can start with, this is how I turned 10,000 naira into 1 million naira in less than 1 month. It is a very good hook because it is full of curiosity and people will want to learn how you were able to turn 10,000 naira into 1 million naira in less than 1 month. So you need to go for hooks that is going to make people to stay from the beginning till the end. Now, let me teach you how to monetize your knowledge. We know that before you get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 followers. But here is the secret. You don't necessarily need to be monetized on any social media platform before you start making money. By the virtue of you sharing your own knowledge, solving people's problem through your content, People will be sliding into your DM every now and then, asking you questions, and that is where you will be making money from, because there are people that will be wanting counseling session with you. People will be asking for solutions pertaining their problem depending on the niche that you choose, and that is where your knowledge gets monetized, because they have understood that you are able to solve their problem through the content that you have put out there. So you don't necessarily need 1,000 followers on YouTube to get monetized, or reach a certain criteria on Instagram or Facebook before you get monetized. By the virtue of you posting videos, solving problems for people, you are already telling people that you are good at what you do, and trust me, they'll be needing your services. So that is where you need to position yourself out there in such a way that when people come across your video, they will see it as a problem solver. So learn how to create very good content. Use ChatGPT and get very good hooks for your video. And trust me, in less than 90 days, you will make so much money that a lot of people couldn't make in 10 years, because you have the right information. Now, tell me, which of the niches will you start with? What type of content do you want to start with? Do you want to create content that you need to show your face every day, or you want to create content that nobody will know that you are the one who is behind that content? If you have subscribed to my channel, you will notice that I have posted a video concerning content creation, and I took out time to explain the difference between faceless content and content that need you to show your face. And I also listed a lot of faceless content that you can venture into that does not require your face. So do well to watch that video. You will understand better. If you're serious about monetizing your content creation knowledge in less than 3 months, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be giving you updates about the things that you need to do in order to monetize your content creation knowledge. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you share, you like, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.